students, today we are going to continue chapter 8, Surroundings Affect the Living. In the previous class we learned about weather. Now we will learn about climate. What is climate? Climate is the average weather pattern of a place taken over a long period of time. It may be for a month, the entire year, or for about 20 years. And in India we know that the climate at different places is different. Climate is termed as hot or humid if that place remains hot or warm with short spell of rain. And the places in India where it is such type of climate is found is Delhi, Haryana, Madhya Pradesh. Then if the climate is hot and wet, then and there is heavy rainfall for days together during the year, then the climate of that place is termed as hot and wet, and the region is said to be the tropical region. In this region there is heavy rain for most of the time, and that gives rise to dense forest and with large animal population, and such places are called tropical rain forest. And the places in India with such type of climate is found is Tamil Nadu, Kerala, Karnataka and other southern states. These places are around the equator and hence they remain hot throughout the year. Then if the climate is warm and humid and it is extremely wet, wet means it rains throughout the year, then that place is termed as a humid place. And the places in India where such type of climate is found is the eastern states such as Assam, Manipur, Mizoram, Meghalaya, Tripura, Arunachal, Nagaland and others eastern states. Then the climate is temperate. Temperate means it is neither hot during summers and not cold during winters. And in India such type of weather is found in Karnataka. Then if the climate is hot and dry, and we know hot and dry weather is found in desert areas where there is sandy soil all around, and the desert in Rajasthan is named as Thar Desert, and such place has hot and dry climate. Then the next type of climate is cold and snowy climate. Means in these places it remains very cold and there is snowfall for a long period of time in the year. And in India such places where such type of climate is found is Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh, Sikkim, Uttaranchal, Arunachal Pradesh, etc. Then the polar regions. We know there are two poles, North Pole and South Pole. These polar regions, they remain covered with snow all the year round, and each pole has day for half of the year and long night for rest of the year. And the places near North Pole, they are Alaska, Canada, etc. And near the south it is the Antarctica. Students, let's read about the first climatic region, that is the polar region. We know our earth has two poles, North Pole and South Pole. The region around the North Pole, that is termed as Arctic, and that around the South Pole is termed as Antarctic. And both these regions, we know they are covered with snow throughout the year. And some animals which are commonly found here, we will read about their adaptations. The animals that are commonly found here are polar bear, penguins, seals, etc. Let's read about polar bear. Polar bear. The polar bear, the entire body of polar bear, it is covered with thick, fine fur. And this fur, we know it traps the air and keeps the body warm. It has blubber, means fat-filled cells under its skin, and this fat helps to keep its body warm. Then it has broad paws. It has a strong sense of smell which helps it to locate the fish under the sea. Then it has small external ear and hence it does not catch cold. It camouflage with the snowy background because polar bear we know it is white in color, so it camouflages with the snowy background. As a result, it cannot be spotted easily by the enemies. Then let's read about the adaptation in penguins. Penguins, we know they are flightless birds and it feeds on fish, and it is adapted to live in extremely cold Antarctic region. And now what about penguin? Penguin's body is covered with dark black feathers on the back and white on the front. And these feathers are oily feathers, means they keep the water away. Then they remain huddled together, means they remain in groups, and remaining in groups keeps them warm. Their body is streamlined and they have flipper-like wings and webbed feet to swim smoothly and fastly in water. They also have a layer of blubber, means fat-filled cells under their skin to keep the bird warm and also help it in surviving without food for long. The next topic is climate and adaptation in animals living in different regions. So students, according to climate, the climatic regions on the earth are broadly classified into polar regions, tropical rainforest, dry sandy desert. And the climate of a place, it directly affects the life of all living organisms, may it be plants, may it be animals, or may it be humans that are living there in many ways. And to survive and multiply, the plants and animals, they develop certain features and the body features and habits that help the organisms, that is the plants and animals, to cope with the climate of the region in which they have to live. That is known as adaptation. And we will study the adaptation of different animals found in different regions.